I'm getting an error code of 12 on my carrier furnace, trying to figure out how to fix it.
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
Only a few years old. I've got different error codes in the past, but changing the filter and cleaning the heating element had fixed it before. With this new code, those two things didn't fix the issue.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Hopefully.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I've tried cleaning the element, replacing the filter and restarting it, and the fan blower motor just keeps spinning with no results.
The error code 12 is normal after power up but should go away and fan stop after 90 seconds.
It doesn't go away. I restart the furnace and the blower wheel just keeps spinning. No heat comes on, just the spinning wheel. It might be showing code 21 now. If I'm reading it wrong, gas heating lockout will not auto restart.
Can you look inside the burner compartment on label on side panel and get me the model on your furnace?
Carrier 58 PAV 09014.
Turn power off to furnace for 3 minutes and back on. Thermostat off. Tell me if we have any code. The furnace should give error code 12 and blower run 90 seconds then stop. Lead should stay solid. We will go from here.
Turn back on. Looks like it is flashing error code 21 now. Gas heating lockout control will not. How to reset. Check for miswired gas valve, defective control valve relay.
Okay, if we get the 21 error immediately on startup after power has been turned off and on without any attempt to start, the control board is the issue and will have to be replaced. You are going to replace it yourself. It is much cheaper to buy an aftermarket board than a carrier board. See link below. https://www.amazon.com ICM controls IC 282A replacement 325878751/DP/B00441 by 9H2.
Is that very easy to replace, or do you think I should call out an HVAC technician? And because the error code was immediately, is that the only possibility of what the issue could be?
Personally, I always hate telling you to buy a control board without being on site to troubleshoot, but based on everything we have done, it sure seems like it is the culprit. I do not mind too much recommending the $120 board like I would if it were one of the $400 boards. A tech is going to charge that much just to come out, and then another $300 for the board if he agrees after on-site troubleshooting. It is pretty much plug and play, easy to replace. I am also available to guide you should you need help after rating my answer.
Okay, thanks for the help. How do I recontact you to help with the replacement after I rate this?
Simply sign on to the website and go to my questions that will bring you here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.